Hey guys, we're super excited to be here today to review this product with you. It's going to be an awesome RV accessory. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. Today we bought something new. I've wanted one of these for our camper. I think it's a great accessory. It has a multi-purpose. We have one of these similar at home. It's a different brand, but there's something awesome about this brand that will be great for any RVer. So today we are going to unbox our Ninja Foodi digital air fryer oven. He trusts me with a sharp instrument. Better not cut my fingers because I can't go to the hospital with COVID. I just have to live without my fingers. We love our air fryer. We do keto, trying to keep our weight down and eat healthy, and air fryers are awesome for that. One of our favorite things to make in here is pork chops, breaded pork chops. So we got a sheet pan. We don't need warnings. Then we have our mesh rack to cook on. And if any of you guys have an air fryer, I mean, this is a pretty big space to cook on. And you've got your rack for when you're making toast and stuff. And then your crumb pan is along the bottom. And then Ninja gives you a 1-year warranty on these things, which is awesome too. But the best part of this air fryer and why it is great for RVers, because you look at it and it's a little smaller than most air fryers combos. If you have the one we have at home, stands probably about this tall. And I think the space on here is equal to what we have, or maybe even a little bigger, just because of the way it's designed. But the best part of this is when you're not using it, it folds up against your wall, so you have your counter space. Isn't that awesome? That's why we want this for our RV. Now let's see how it does in the kitchen. We'll be right back. So we're going to get started, but this is all the things that this little machine can do. It can do air fry, it can do air roast, air broil. We also like to cook bacon in here. It's awesome to cook bacon in. Regular bake. I make muffins in my air fryer. Toast, bagels. This one you can even dehydrate in here, so you can make your own jerky. And then you can just leave it on low and keep your stuff warm too. What we're going to do is we're going to try to bake a pizza that we bought. Meat is kind of limited right now, so we don't want to waste anything expensive, so we're going to test it out with this and see how it does. So we hit the power button, and the directions say 400 degrees for 12 minutes. So the time is right here. You hit the time, and then you turn the dial to put your time on. Then you hit your temperature, and that controls your temperature. So we put it at 400. And then we want to preheat this. We did put it on bake also, so you just move that down and put it on bake. And then you just push it, and you'll see it right here that it says pre, so it's preheating. As soon as it's done preheating, we'll put the pizza in the oven. Alright, so it got done preheating. It only took barely 2 minutes to preheat. So we're going to put our pizza in. We're going to put it on top of the rack here. Close it up. And I paused it when it hit preheat, so we're just going to hit start again so it goes. You can see it's on. And then this oven also has this fancy dancy little light in there, so we can light up our pizza and watch it cook. So we'll be back in 11 minutes and 39 seconds. Alright, so our timer went off and our pizza looks done. You hear that sizzle? Alright, so our pizza is done. It looks delicious for a store-bought pizza. Nice and crispy on the bottom. I'm very impressed with this, how it preheats. It preheated and it seemed, I didn't time it exactly, but it seemed like under a minute or two that it was preheated to 400 degrees. So that's another reason why I like this thing for our RV. You can still bake in it, and I can make my keto muffins and that type of thing, but you're not going to heat up your RV as long as you're on full hookups where you can use electricity. This is small enough and light enough you can carry it outside and set it up on your table outside too, so you're not heating up your RV, and you can do your cooking outside. And a lot of people have outdoor kitchens. They could add this to their outdoor kitchens and have another accessory out there. So looking forward to making some meals in here, and hopefully we'll give you a few more recipes. So for now, don't forget to share this with your friends. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.